Hey guys, welcome to another episode of What's Open Next. I'm your host, John Parker. Today, we're going to open the Quintessential Quintuplets 2 from Weiss, Schwarz. English edition. And then here we have all this stuff on the back here. So it's got your like types and normals and parallel and stuff like that. Alright, so let's get this party started. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it gives me a hard time. Other than that, here we go. We got it. Alright, so here we have quintuplets cooking. Cooking quintuplets. Awkward atmosphere. Bath time. Oh, that one, what's that says? Overconfident and careless. Like cats and dogs. Sudden approach. Cheerful girl. Oh, here we go. This is our hollow. Inheritant kindness. This is Shatterfoil. Look at that. Awesome. Oh, and here's our climax card. Unstoppable feelings. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this episode. Definitely hit like, subscribe, and put a comment down there. Tell me what you think of the Weiss Schwarz card game. And then you can also comment like what's your name, where you're from, and what kind of other games you like. What's your favorite game? What's your favorite set from the game? And we'll definitely try to open what's open next. So take it easy. Have a good one.